Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss deck of cards of their probability. In the previous video, we have seen what is the introduction part of the probability. In this session, we are going to discuss deck of cards and their probability. Click this I button to learn introduction to probability and learn from beginning of introduction. Let us see what is deck of cards. So the playing cards are called deck of cards. So we are finding that deck of cards. We are discussing the deck of cards. In a pack, the deck of cards, it will be 52 cards. Total cards are 52. In that, some are black in color and some are red in color. So some black color cards, some are red color cards. So here, how many black color cards and how many red color cards? So in this 26 are black in color and 26 are red in color. So here black are again it is divided into two parts. That is, one is spades and clubs. Red color also divided into two parts. In the cards will be heart cards and diamond cards. Heart and diamond cards. So what is the shape of the spade? So the spade cards will be like this. The spades will be this, like this shape, and clubs are like this one, we can say clubs. So in the spade and clubs, heart, already you know that heart, shape of the heart. This is the shape of the heart cards. Next, diamond. This is also you know. This is the diamond card. This is the heart card and clubs, and this is the spades. So in each set, how many cards will be? In the spade, how many cards? That are 13 cards, and clubs also 13 cards, and heart it is also 13. Diamond also we are getting 13 cards. So in that spade, what are the cards? So what cards are in the spade? So in the spade, what are the cards means? Ace, king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, up to 2. Total how many cards it will be? Once you have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cards are spade cards. So what are the club cards? Same. What are the cards in the spade? Same as this only, but this symbol is different. So ace, king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, up to 2. So heart cards also same as this, 13 cards. In the diamond cards also same. So what that same means? Ace, king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. These cards all we are getting the same. So here in black, total how many cards will be? That is 26. Red also we are getting 26. Here spade cards are 13, club also 13, heart also 13, here diamond also 13. For example, if I am asking one question, so how many ace cards in a deck of pack? How many ace? So how many we are getting ace? Here in this ace 1, here also we are getting 1, here also we are getting 1, here also we are getting 1. Means spade card is 1, club card also 1, heart card also 1, diamond cards also 1. So how many ace cards in a deck of pack? That is 4 cards. 4 ace in a deck of pack. The ace cards are 4. For example, I am asking Jack, how many cards in a deck of pack? Jack cards. So Jack here, spade in 1, clubs in 1, heart in 1 and diamond in 1. So total we are getting 4. Now I am asking some different. How many black Jack cards? Black Jack cards. So how many we are getting? Spade in 1, club in 1. Just black cards are black Jack equal to only 2. Again it is red cards also we are getting 2 only. So red Jack also we are getting 2. Now I am asking probability I will ask now. So what is the probability of getting a heart card? For example, I asked heart card. How many heart cards are there in a deck? Total how many cards? Total cards equal 52. Number of favorable to heart card equal. Number of favorable to heart card equal. So how many favorable it is? That is 13. So the probability of getting a heart card equal number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes, that equal 13 by 12. We are discussing in the exercise problems. Like these problems are in exercise will be. Now one more concept, that is face cards. What are face cards? So face cards means king, queen, jack. In a deck of pack, how many face cards will be? So in spading we are getting 3. Here king, queen, jack. Here 3. Clubs also we are getting 3. Here also we are getting 3. Diamond also we are getting 3. Means total how many face cards in a deck of pack? That is total we are getting 12 cards. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12 face cards will be. In that black color face cards are black color face cards will be, so here 3 and here 3 only. Only 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Red face cards, it is also 6. This is the about deck of cards and their probability. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.